Don't let out. Come on.
Don't let out. Okay, you're gonna walk that passenger front right up that fucking face. It's gonna feel like shit. Turn passenger. No torquey. He's gonna try the Yoda line.
You almost had it.
He's trying the Yoda line here.
Back up a little bit and hit it.
Back up a little bit and bump this back end over.
Don't turn. Turn back passenger.
Turn back passenger. Like he's trying to get his front.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna
Turn
happen.
passenger hard and then bump that ledge with your back driver. There you go. Keep going. Can you back up hard, driver?
You're good. Just want to catch the full effect.
Keep backing up a little bit.
Back up. Yeah, I could
There
barely.
you go,
I could
right
barely
there.
hear you.
Now go hard, passenger. Try to creep that. See what that does.
Creep it?
Try to creep that. No balls.
That's the line right there, though.
That's the line. You just ain't got no balls.
Oh, you let out.
You let out. Hang on, Justin. Back up a little more. Put this rock right here. I think you just need a little bit of help to get up this ledge. Roll up a bridge.
Go. Well, that's not good.
Y'all got him, I'm gonna go down.
Turn fuel.
Uh-oh. Winchy.
Go passenger. There you go. You let out. Back up, driver. Driver. Now straighten up and go for the gold.